Hello angels, I got a lot of dresses on Amazon. His 5 dresses came in one pack. I'll put a link below to the listing. I believe these all came from India, I believe. They're all wrap skirt dress. You know, they actually can work as both. And I want to show you what I got. So, this is how they arrived, all bagged together like this. Sorry for the low light today. It's a hot one, so I have to stay in the shade. But let me show you what I got. These are reversible dresses, which I'm very, very excited about. Alright. Here we go. Here. Oh, you're not going to be able to see, are you? Let's see if we take it here in the sun. Well, we'll try. Alright. Let's see. Bring you up here. Let's see if I can show you this way. One side. Here's the other side. On this one, I don't know if you could see that or not. Hopefully you could. Just counting out my dresses, make sure that got all the ones we purchased. The next one is going to be very pretty peach on one side. It was a small design and a bigger design on the other. I think that one's going to be a really pretty one too. And we'll have 2 more after this. So this one has pinks and purples. Very pretty. This side. Oh, it's so pretty. Love it. Very, very pretty. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. There's only 4. So yeah, I'm gonna have to contact them. 2, 3. Yeah, and then this is the last one, 4. So yeah, I'm gonna have to contact them and let them know that I only got 4 when I was supposed to get 5. Here's the last one. Yellow and like a dark brown. Very pretty, but definitely gonna have to contact the company and let them know, hey, I paid for 5, you only gave me 4. So yeah, I will do this video in parts and let you know what happens.